Remember running through the woods, finding joy and a place to escape reality? So do we. At Crooked Shutter Treehouse, we know you can find it again. Welcome to the Crooked Shutter Treehouse at Denver. We built this treehouse for those looking to retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Located a short 30-minute drive from uptown Charlotte in Denver, North Carolina, the treehouse is perfect for those looking for a quick family getaway or a romantic night away from the kids. It's a fully functioning home, but specifically designed to be as connected or disconnected as you want it to be. The scene is right out of a Hemingway story. Long stretches of oaks and pines, nestled in the foothills of beautiful North Carolina. The huge front porch offers a view that can be mistaken for Asheville. Walk into the treehouse and you're transported to a rustic yet sophisticated environment with kitchenette, bathroom, preheated outdoor shower, and living room. Head up the ship's ladder to the main sleeping quarters where you'll find a queen-size handcrafted bed. The treehouse sleeps 4 but offers so much more. Enjoy mealtime around the huge fire pit with built-in seating and a grill top for cooking up burgers, hot dogs, or steaks. At the end of the day, we hope you enjoy your stay at the Crooked Shutter Treehouse as much as we've enjoyed bringing it to life.